The Pandanus umbrella weighs nearly 30 kilograms, so handling and installation will require 2 people. Check that the box contains the umbrella assembly, 2 pieces of ballast block frame, the rotate bearing, the lower mast, the protective cover, the on-ground plate, and a bolt package. Please carefully read the safety notices contained in the installation manual. Today we're demonstrating how to attach the umbrella to the ballast block frame. The rotate bearing screws directly onto the middle of the frame. Next, attach the lower mast. Insert and tighten 2 Allen screws at the base of the mast. The ballast block frame can be held down with 4 of these attractive resin stone base weights, or with the small resin base, both available from your outdoor retailer. Alternatively, the rotate bearing can be mounted onto a concrete slab using the on-ground plate, which is included with the umbrella. Carefully lift the umbrella assembly and insert the side post into the top of the lower mast. Fasten the side post with the locking knob. Your Pandanus umbrella is now ready to use. Simply turn the crank handle in a clockwise direction. Thank you for viewing the Pandanus installation video.